everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber, if you don't know me. If you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison video between the P. Louise base and the Primed and Ready by Collection, which is also an eyeshadow base but just not like coloured. I want to do a comparison video between these because I've heard so much about this P. Louise base and I was just wondering if, you know, it actually is as good as people say. Like, I see people use it and I'm like, ooh, amazing. I've used it a few times and I thought, great, but I haven't compared it, so I can't truly say which one is the best. As you can tell, I already have it on my eyes. I've done the same on each eye. I haven't changed anything. So if you want to know if the P. Louise performs at the same quality as the Primed and Ready by Collection, then just keep on watching. First, I'm going to show you a like little swatch thing of both of the bases, just so you can get a feel for what each consistency is like and the colour that both of they are. I haven't got much of this left. Okay, and then just swipe that down. And just swipe that down. But first I'm going to go in with the Primed and Ready, and I'm going to be going on the left side of my face here. With both products, I'm going to be patting it on my face. I wouldn't usually pat this, but the P. Louise tells me to pat it, and I'm just going to use them the same way to avoid any, like, well, it didn't work because you didn't pat it. Well, I pat them both now. For the inner part of my eye, I'm going to use this yellow. Next is this orange. Next, I'm going to be taking the Juvias Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to go in with Body here. I don't know if you say it with a rolled R, but I do. And then for right at the end, I'm going to go into the purple back into the Zulu palette. Two cons of this already is you can't use it to cut out your eyebrow, and you also cannot use it to cut your crease because, you know, you won't be able to see it. I'm going to have to go in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Next, I'm going to take Geezer from my Masquerade palette, and I'm so sad because look at that, I have hit the pan. I'm just going to go back into the purple, go to the pink again. And now, without saying a word, I'm going to go into my right eye with the P. Louise base and start patting. Now that my right side has been based with P. Louise, I'm going to be going into the exact same colours, except for the cut crease, I'm not going to be using the e.l.f., I'm going to be using the P. Louise base again, because, you know, what's the point in not? That's what it's for. Already you can see a big difference between that yellow colour payoff. Oh my god, I actually didn't think there was that much difference. But side by side, I can really tell. For once, I actually have nothing to say. Now I'm going to cut that crease. I've seen that in a lot of P. Louise's videos, she'll like wipe the area underneath, like where she's about to put more product of the base, but I'm not going to do that because it'll be unfair to this side who has partaken in being layered on top of the other one. So now that's both sides 100% complete. So I'm just going to finish up the look, put some eyeliner on, some lashes, all that schnazzle, and then I'm going to be coming straight back. So this is both sides with all my makeup done, and I can really see a big difference in the P. Louise, and honestly, I didn't think I would. Like, I was expecting to be kicking this stuff to the curb and being like, I'm never going to use it again. but it's actually really good. I like it because it's also can be used as a concealer. You can use it to cut your crease. When I cut my crease here, when I wanted to mix the purple into the cut crease a little bit to give it more of a dispersed effect, it did it a lot easier than it did on this side. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a bit, there's a few lines, and the pickup of colour on the P. Louise just absolutely blows my mind. I'm like, obviously the colour's going to pick up a little bit better because it's obviously lighter than this side. You know, this is my skin colour is not as light. Maybe it'd look the same on a white person, but for me personally, the P. Louise definitely won. And the P. Louise even won on the cut crease part just here, you know, the part where I put the Gia from the Juvias Place Masquerade palette. I feel like on this side it looks so much brighter, so much more vibrant. It makes my eye look more awake than this side. Like, I don't know if you can see, but on this side I just think it looks a slight bit more wrinkly than the P. Louise side, but that's just my opinion. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, share it with your friends, I don't mind. If you want more comparison videos between 2 different brands or even more than 2 different brands, then just comment down below and tell me what you want to see and I'll try and buy some stuff so that I can do it for you guys. And thank you for watching, bye!